post-disaster nuclear safety efforts continue in Japan. A new 17-member Japanese government panel held its first meeting on Saturday, May 28th, to begin creating a disaster prevention plan. Meanwhile, the Tokyo Electric Power Company, or TEPCO, continues in efforts to halt the nuclear crisis at the stricken Fukushima Daiichi power plant.
Further nuclear fears have been sparked as Tropical Storm Sangda bears down on the country, with TEPCO officials saying that the damaged facility is not prepared for the intense weather, and an advisor to Prime Minister Naoto Kan also stating that the plant's safety measures are not adequate. With the nuclear accident leaving some of the buildings uncovered, concerns have been raised that the storm could carry radioactive material across the air and sea.
With a recent report stating that the cores of reactors 1, 2, and 3 had experienced serious meltdowns, another report submitted by Japan's Nuclear and Industrial Safety Agency revealed that leaks in 2 key containment vessels have been causing high levels of radiation that in turn have been hampering cooling efforts. Meanwhile, more than 160 nuclear and civil engineers over the age of 60 have volunteered to come out of retirement in an effort to protect some of the more than 1,000 younger engineers who have been risking extremely high radiation levels at the site.
On Friday, Japan's Science Ministry announced that levels of radioactive iodine and cesium up to several hundred times higher than normal have been detected on the Pacific seabed. The radioactive substances were found all along a 300-kilometer stretch from Kesunuma, Miyagi Prefecture to Choshi, Chiba Prefecture, including locations which had not been previously investigated. Earlier, environmental organization Greenpeace had warned that significant amounts of radioactive contamination continue to spread far from the Fukushima Daiichi plant, after collected data revealed seaweed radiation levels 50 times above official limits. Jan Van Put, Greenpeace radiation expert, stated, "Despite what the authorities are claiming, radioactive hazards are not decreasing through dilution or dispersion of materials, but the radioactivity is instead accumulating in marine life."
Following protests by parents and citizens after the government raised a permissible limit of radiation exposure for Fukushima Prefecture school children, the Education Ministry announced on Friday that it would set a lower limit. To achieve its goal of reducing radiation exposure to 1 millisievert or less per year, the ministry will provide subsidies to remove contaminated topsoil from fields and playgrounds, and is providing all schools with instruments to measure radiation in students.
Japanese Prime Minister Naoto Kan stated after the end of the G8 summit in France on Friday that the nation will increase its use of sustainable energy. Elsewhere, European Union member states agreed to conduct in-depth tests on all 146 of their nuclear power plants, with the plan being to shut down any stations that do not pass.
Our appreciation, Japanese and international officials, experts and personnel working to ensure the safety of the public from radiation. Our prayers for the swift halt to such dangers through humanity's more benevolent, eco-conscious stewardship of the planet.